Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be very informative, knowledgeable, and you don't want to miss today's video, because today I will be doing my analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano and DYDX. It is a new cryptocurrency that I just found to trade on, and I shared some info regarding it on my Twitter as well. I hope you saw it. And right now the Bitcoin price is pumping like $41,000. What is happening? This is not supposed to happen, and this is giving a warning signal to get ready for a dump. So let's get into the chart. Landing on the Bitcoin's daily time frame once again, and what is happening in the Bitcoin's price? Like, what is this move like this? Continuous move to the upside in a straight line. I mean, can you imagine a move like this? Well, this move I would say not supposed to be happening, but it is happening, and it is a indication that get ready, because anytime the price can dump hardly. Because what I think is that Bitcoin's price is now manipulated. I mean, the big institutions and the big companies are manipulating the Bitcoin's price, and in the future when the Bitcoin spot ETF also comes, then it's gonna be worse only. So I have not seen any currency or any asset pumping like this in just one single line, and people are right now, I mean, celebrating, oh, Bitcoin is pumping very hard, but I don't think so that it is true, because the price, what I think, has to come down for a retest or a correction till this $33,000 or all the way down till 30k is what I think, because it is simple logic, it is common sense. How long can the price of Bitcoin can just pump like this to the upside? Just ridiculous. And yeah, so this is just a quick analysis that get ready. Also I will show you later in the video that what is the Bitcoin fear and index chart saying. Okay, so guys, here I just want to show you this important indication, and as you can see, this is the fear and greed index of Bitcoin. So this data tells us that what are the sentiments of people right now. Are they more greedy towards Bitcoin, or more, I would say, fearful towards Bitcoin? And through this data you can clearly see that there is a lot of greed in the market, and the greed points are 74. So this means that people are greedy in the Bitcoin and buying and going long and long, and this is the right time to I would say get ready for a dump in the price, because as Warren Buffett also says that when people are greedy, be fearful, and when people are fearful, be greedy. So yeah, this is just an indication that get ready to be fearful, that is, get ready, because the Bitcoin's price may dump a lot in just couple of days as well. Also, just a quick update, I am on the Bitcoin CME futures chart right here. So if you guys trade future, you know this chart very well. And I mean, today is Monday, the start of the new week, and what is this? Can you imagine a big gap in between? This indicates that there is a lot of movement in the weekend, and now there are chances that the price of Bitcoin can go down again to fill this gap, because I would say 80 to 90% time Bitcoin price falls down to fill these gaps too. And there are still some gaps left here also, right here, and I would say right here, couple of gaps still remaining, and they are all the way down till 25,000. Well, 25 is not what I am expecting right now, but at least till 30k is what I expect to the Bitcoin's price to come down for a healthy correction and then continue to the upside before the Bitcoin's halving. So that's what I expect, and be cautious while going long on Bitcoin. I would just advise this, and yeah, do your own analysis as well, and if you find a very good short opportunity, then you can take it very easily. So coming to the Ethereum's daily time frame, and as I informed you in my last video that Ethereum's price is right now stuck in this main, I would say, resistance zone right here, and if the price either breaks it to the downside with a perfect volume candle or with a retest, then we'll go short, and if the price of Ethereum breaks this to the upside, we'll go long. So well, as you can clearly see, the price of Ethereum has did a breakout to the upside, also forming a kind of a cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern of course. But what I'm amazed is that I hope you can see this candle right here, second last candle. This has been formed yesterday, that is on Sunday, and this candle did a breakout on Saturday. I mean, there is not such volume there in these two candles. I hope you can see. Still the price of Ethereum has managed to do a breakout. Well, I won't enter right now. I will wait for the price to come down again somewhere or over here, I would say. And if the price comes down here and makes this range as a support, then I will definitely go long from here, and my target will be all the way up till here, 3200. This whole zone is very important. So this zone ranges from $3,000 to $3,300. So right now I'm just waiting for a perfect retest, and as I told you about the Bitcoin, that I would say a dump has to come in the Bitcoin's price. It is important for it. So if a dump comes in the Bitcoin's price, then for sure Ethereum will also act the same only. That's why I am right now cautious on Ethereum's chart as well, and I will only trade if the price of Ethereum comes down to this range and makes it as a support. So this range is approx $2,130. I just found a new altcoin to trade, and this is Cardano, or you can call it as ADA. So I'm on the daily time frame, and as you can see, this is a very important resistance right here, this purple zone, and these two levels are very important support for the Cardano's price. So for quite some time the Cardano's price was struggling to break this zone to the upside. Well, it did a breakout right now, but still, as you know, the basic rule that I will only trade this move when the price of Cardano goes a little up more and then comes down for a retest, makes this as a support, then only we'll enter at the bottom, or we can call it as the dip here. Looking at the volume right now, so this is today's daily candle did a breakout of this Cardano's price, so I'll wait for this daily candle to close so that I can notice the volume right here, because right now the volume is, I would say, very low. So just keep in mind of this important resistance right here, and I will tell you its levels. It is from 0.3893 to 0.4019, exact targets right here. So very good opportunity to go long on Cardano is right now in front of our eyes, but we'll only enter with proper setup only. So don't get freaked out, don't get excited. I will inform you guys on my Twitter, and will make a video too if I go long or short on Cardano as well. I'm on the DYDX chart right here. Before this, I want to show you my tweet that I just tweeted a couple of days ago. Here I am on my tweet that I just posted a couple of days ago. And before I explain you this, let me tell you what is DYDX. Well, DYDX is a, I would say, decentralized perpetual trading company on which you can trade cryptos. Perpetual trading you can do. Perpetual trading is like a futures only, futures type of trading, but there are no expiries, and we all do perpetual only. I only focus on perpetual trading only on my channel. So this is the trade setup right here that I shared on my Twitter. So do follow me on my Twitter. You will get latest updates and you will be early than others. So you can read this out if you want to. Link is in the description, and if you don't want to read it, it's okay, fine. I'll explain you what is happening right now. So the DYDX price right now is, I would say, after a long pump, right now it is sideways, or we can say a small downtrend. So what I was expecting is that to have a look at this candle, this big candle, and the volume of this candle is very high. So this means that big company or big players have bought DYDX token right here. Okay, so what I was expecting is that a correction will come in the DYDX price till here, this purple zone or this white small zone right here, and when the price comes till here, these big players who entered or who put their money in DYDX will get freak out, so their portfolio will go in loss. So either they will book a loss or they will pump the price again towards the upside, and the same happened here also, but I did not went long because my setup of trading was that either the price of DYDX comes down till this purple zone, touching this purple zone, or comes all the way down till this white zone right here. Why this white zone? Because if we can see, it is forming a trend line support right here, this support, as you can see, this right here. Then I expected that somewhat over here the price can come for a support. So if the price comes all the way down till here or till this box, then only I will go long on DYDX, or else I'll not go right now long. And right now also the price of DYDX did a breakout of this zone too early, I would say, and right now it is also not did a retest, so there's no point of going long right now. I just showed you this opportunity. You can do your own analysis as well. Just be ready, guys. A lot of trades opportunity are going to come in the next couple of days. This range, I would say a support ranges from 3.174 to 2.985 approx, and this small white zone, which is a very important level, is from 2.866 to 2.767. So do keep an eye on DYDX also, because you can get a trade opportunity there as well. I hope you understand it. Lot of opportunities are there in the crypto world right now: Ethereum, Bitcoin, DYDX, Cardano. But be cautious to trade, because right now in the next couple of days, I would say an incessant move is going to come very soon. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to create your account on Bybit. It is the best crypto exchange out there. Get ready for a trade in the future, and you can get ready by creating an account on Bybit. You can get up to $30,000 gift for free. You can create an account for free also. Link is in the description as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if any I would say any comments or any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, or you can contact me on my Twitter as well, or through my email. Yeah, see you guys next time.